Okay, holy crap. I think it just dropped. The thing we've all been waiting for in the group. National Securities Clearing Corporation. Oh, man, look at that. Order approving proposed rule change to introduce central clearing for securities financing transaction clearing service approved the last day of May 2022. Jesus Christ. Um, I've covered this quite a bit, been waiting on this for quite a bit. This is literally what they've been waiting on to start unwinding the repo. So get jacked. Basically, this was designed to, it's a 2-for-1 system basically. You have LIBOR to SOFR is the big deal. LIBOR is the unsecured rates and SOFR is the secured rates. The SOFR is the repo, and they had to get a certain threshold of volume before they could get their forward-looking foreign SOFR rates that they likely acquired since we had 2 trillion demand in repo for like the last week. So basically, SFTs are transactions in which a securities lender loans securities to a securities borrower for a fee. The borrowers typically use the borrowed securities to cover short sales or fails to deliver. So this is how they get out of their shorts and fails that result from short or long sales. Now, a lender typically lends securities to generate income through the fees that it charges. This is basically the same thing as a repo. Take the Fed out and put the Nscc in its place. And yeah, it's going to be using encumbered assets, unencumbered assets. It basically cuts their problem in half. So the fact that this is approved is huge. So reality is about to set in for everyone. This is exactly what we've been waiting on, and it's here. So let's we'll see what happens. But yeah, I'm super duper jacked on this.